How to get coins in Clash of Clans fast. So there are many ways on how to get coins in Clash of Clans. And first thing to do is farming. So in lower leagues, you can utilize the Barch or the Barbarian plus Archer or the Guy Barch or this combo Giant Barbarian Archer to efficiently loot resources, especially in lower leagues like Gold or Crystal. Now for the higher town halls, you can use Sneaky Goblins or Baby Dragons. They are the most effective for farming in higher town hall levels. And then lastly, you want to try dead bases. So search for dead bases with full collectors and storages for easy looting. You can also try the Clan War and the Clan War League. So by actively participating in wars and aim to win, the war bonuses include gold that goes into the treasury. And then next is the clan games. So by completing active challenges in clan games, you can earn gold as a reward. You can also do the challenges. So by completing active challenges in the clan perks as well, gives you a lot of gold rewards. You can also try some resource building. So upgrade your gold mines, upgrade your elixir and dark elixir pumps and drills to passively generate resources. And you can also maximize your storage capacity to hold more loot after the raids. And then lastly is doing the practice mode or the single player. So while single player challenges can be a good source of loot, you can also focus on multiplayer battles for more consistent and fast efficient gold acquisition.